Alright, as a music producer, you are in the studio, an artist comes inside, he starts singing, you want to know the key before you start creating the beat. So how do you detect the key for that song that he's about to do? Let's fix that right after the intro. Yo, the name is Godsign, still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Alright guys, we are in FLSTUDIO now, so I'm gonna show you 4 ways to detect the key before you even start making the beat in the right key. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna show you is to always train your ears. Okay, as a music producer or a beat maker, you have to train your ears to know the right note or key to make your beat in. Very simple, and not all of us can do that, so you have to get a way to detect the right key from what the artist is about to do. So I'm gonna show you how I detect the key of the song before I even set the key in the beat. Okay, before I make the beat in the right key. So first thing I'm going to show you is to let the artist start singing. Okay, so when the artist starts singing, you're going to listen to the last words. Okay, so when you start singing, listen to the last ending words, and we will use that word or those words to detect the key. So let me play this so that I show you what I mean.
Don't bother too hard for the scene, yo. You can't play with me cause you too slow. I'm gonna go far to be a hero. If you don't like it, fuck you, I'll make you feel, oh. Okay,
so if you've noticed this, we are going to listen to the last words here. Okay,
yo.
See you. Then this one, slow. Okay,
hero.
So those ending words. Okay, so when the artist starts singing those ending words, then you open FL key from FLSTUDIO like this. So this is the first method, okay, how you can detect the key before you change, okay, before you start making the beat in the right key. So you're gonna open this FL key, then when the artist starts singing, you start pressing the notes here. Okay, so I'm going to stick to the scale of C. Okay, key C, starting from here to this place. Okay, so when I listen to this, assuming the artist is singing,
yo, you can't play with me cause you too slow.
So I'm gonna use slow. Okay, so if I open this, I'll start saying the last word, slow. You can see it's not this key. Slow. You too slow. It's not the key. You too slow. It's not the key. You too slow. It's not the key. You too slow. You can't play with me because you too slow. Okay. You too slow. You can't play with me because you're too slow. It's not a key. So you're gonna press all this to detect the right key. Okay, you can't play with me because you're too slow. Alright, so from what I am saying, I think what I am doing, assuming I am the artist, so you can see this is C sharp. Okay, C sharp. So you can see you can't play with me because you're too slow. So you can see this is the key. Okay, so C sharp, then you go back to your piano roll. Okay, then you go to helpers. First you have to choose the scale. Okay, so if the song is emotional, you can choose minor scale, or if it's like a party type, you can choose a major scale. So depending on the mood of the song, then you select the scale. So assuming it's a minor, then you choose the minor scale, then you go back to select the key, which was what, C sharp, like this. Then you start making your beats with this key. Alright guys, very simple. So this is the first step you can use to detect the key of the new song that or the new beat you are about to make for the artist. Alright, let's move on to the next method. Subscribe to the channel if you are new here, give the video a like if it helps you. Then alright guys, so the next thing that you can use to detect the key while the artist is singing is to let the artist record the raw vocals like this. Then after that, route it onto the mixer track as I've done it here. Then you're gonna install Antes Auto key, okay, this one. Then you play it. As you play, this would tell you the key, okay. So let's play it, but forget about the CPU crashing.
Don't bother to hide for the scene, yo. You can't play with me because you're too slow. I'm gonna go far to be a hero. If you don't like it.
So right now you can see it has detected that the key is what? A minor. Alright, then you can go back to your piano roll, then go to helpers scale. You choose the scale first. If the song is emotional, you choose minor. If it's a party type, you choose what? Major. Then you go back to the key, then select the A minor. So the piano roll will change, then you start making your beats for that song. Alright guys, so the other way to detect the key is to let the artist record the vocals for you. Then you export it as MP3. Make sure it is MP3, not waves, okay. So we are going to export it as MP3. I've already done that, okay. So you export it as MP3. Then right now we are going to use virtual DJ, okay. I recommend this one for you. So if you don't have the setup, the link is in the description box. Download it for free, but make sure you watch the video to the end to know the password to unzip this file. So right after installing that and recording the vocal, just drag these vocals, okay, these vocals to this place. Then it's going to tell you the key. You can detect the key from here, okay. G minor, okay. Detect the key from here, you can see. Then you go back to your FLSTUDIO, the same thing. You go to the piano roll, helpers. First choose the scale because it was minor. Then you choose the key, then you start making your beats. Guys, this is very simple, but sometimes the best way is to train your ears to detect the key and make sure you know a little bit about the piano, okay. That's very good for you. So if you found this video to be helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Alright, so this video is a request from BEATZ. Big shout out to BEATZ. I hope it solved your problem, and big shout out to all my fans. The name is Godsai, still the solution career, providing solutions to your problems. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.